Okay, hi, let me turn my fan off. It'll be so hot filming this, but we're just gonna have to. So hi, I have to be out the door in 25 minutes. I was talking to my dad and then he was like, yeah, I'll see you at 2. It's 1:35 right now, so I literally have 25 minutes to do my makeup. So I thought I was gonna film today anyway, and I was just gonna do like a nice chilled get ready with me because I thought I would be going out later, but I'm just gonna have to do like a real time get ready with me. See, I find some of these stressful sometimes. By the way, I'm just gonna start getting ready. I find these stressful sometimes, like when I'm watching people get ready really quickly, like I feel like they're making me late, even though I'm always late for everything. So this isn't gonna be like a full-blown tutorial. We're just gonna get ready. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna get ready and it's gonna be super quick, super simple. I've been trying to get rid of this guy since last night and I swear it's just got bigger. We love that. So I'm just gonna pop on some SPF quickly because we need to protect that skin. Okay, I already moisturized my skin before, so I'm not gonna put moisturizer on again. I did it after I washed my face when I woke up, which was not too long ago, let me tell you that. I think it's this. You know when you have lip balms and like you put them on but then like they end up going in your mouth and you can taste them? Like I love this. This is like Lipsil, like literally the brand Lipsil. This is so nice and so moisturizing, but I can taste it. Ew. Also, you're gonna see me using some absolute fresh brushes today because I washed my brushes last night and I'm feeling very proud. So it's, what's the date today? It's June, July, August. August. It's August 27 and I think this is the first video I've filmed in Virgo season, so happy Virgo season. I love Virgos. I'd say Virgos are like my favorite signs with Aquarius. Like Aquariuses and Virgos, they are my favorite. No, I am neither of those signs. I'm a Cancer, but I love Virgos. Like I just love their minds and just how they think and how they talk. My sister's a Virgo, so shout out to that queen. And my dad is also a Virgo. He's a Virgo. He's such a Virgo. One of my best friends, she's a Virgo. I've got cousins that are Virgos. I just love Virgos. Aquariuses, I just think they're so weird and I love their humour and like the style sense of Aquariuses, and I just love their energy. Don't know why I just randomly started talking about that, but okay. Okay, I am just like doing my brows, but I'm literally just like getting it on my face more than my actual brow hairs. Like it's been 5 minutes since I just sat down and I've done one eyebrow and one questionable worm. Okay, I'm just gonna do the skin and then, because I need to cover up this dude right here. I just put the most random makeup in a bag and was like, we're using that. So primer, I'm gonna use my touch and dog, stop barking please. Originally planned for this video to be a lot more calm and relaxed, something you can just kind of play in the background as you're doing stuff, but now it's just like a stressful mess. It was in my primer video. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. It's great. Okay, I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Illuminating Foundation because I haven't used this in a long time. I need coverage to secure this face. My clean sponge and literally my brushes. Okay, not this one. We're gonna ignore this because I forgot to clean that one, clearly. So let's take that one out. But this, look at that. And plus this is for like my body anyway. So look at those. Nice clean brushes. Is this too light for me? Oh, I haven't used this since like winter. It's fine, we'll just use a lot of bronzer. So hopefully, don't quote me on this because I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it, but I've seen that Makeup Revolution, or Revolution, have come out with a new foundation and I think concealer, or is it just a foundation? But it's like a something and hydrate. Is it conceal and hydrate? Or hydrate and define? Something, a hydrating foundation anyway. And hello, yes, I want to try that because to be honest I don't really like the other foundations just because they dried out on my skin a bit too much and they just looked too foundation-y. So the fact that they've got a nice hydrating one, I want to try it. I'm going to see if I can get it today when I go out, if I make it in time. So I'm going to try and get that and do a testing video. I'll do like a wear test and stuff on it as I usually do with new foundations and stuff. I will do a testing video on it if I can get hold of it today, because I know it's just come out and I know it's on the Superdrug website, but I don't know if it's in stores. So I'm just going to go and have a look. If not, I'll have to order it and then obviously wait for that to come. But either way, I'm going to do a testing video. Okay. Oh, I'm using my Tarte creaseless concealer. Why am I using this brush? This is a powder brush. Oh well. See, I'm confused now with all my brushes because they're all clean. Anyway, I'm going to set my face with my Beauty Bakerie flour powder. I'm going to do cream bronze, I think. I'm going to cream bronze next, I think. That lip balm tastes so bad, I can't. I feel sad, like, they were so clean. Go over with my sponge, my foundation sponge, just to make sure it's all blended. I'm gonna go set the powder with, no. I'm gonna set the cream bronzer with a powder bronzer. And I got this recently and I really like it. This is the Maybelline City Bronzer. I really like this. It's in the shade medium. There's this one and a deeper one and maybe a lighter one. No, I think they only had two in the store, which is not the best. I don't know if they only have two shades. I hope they don't. But I got the lighter one of the two because I thought I could like contour with this. So kind of set down that bronzer. Set my face and then I'll do a highlight, or I don't know. No, I'll do my highlight now. A Champagne Pot by Becca. I haven't used this in so long. Subtle one, seeing as I've got so much texture on my skin. Oh, that's nice. Ah, I've got 5 minutes. I'm just going to go in with the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Waddles. This is like the... Oh, that one's dead. Do I have another one? We're not going to go in with Waddles because it was really old. I hadn't closed it properly, so it dried up. Trying to find something similar, I guess. It's fine. Okay. We got one. I'm going to go in with the shade Elixir, which is just a nice little warm brown. Kind of goes with my t-shirt, I guess. Mascara time. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal. Oh, lips. Okay, what have we got? What have we got? What have we got in front of me that I can just put on? Bear from LA Girl. Yeah, I am. I'm just going to use the Fenty Gloss Bomb. He's shouting me. He's just going to have to wait. Okay, so that's it. This is the 35-minute, 30-minute, whatever, rush get ready with me. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this didn't stress you out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want. If you don't, that's fine. And give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.